Good morning, students. We are going to study about algebraic properties. As you can see here, we have six types of properties. In general, they are closure property, associative property, commutative property, identity, inverse, and distributive law. Now, we need to also know what are binary operation. Plus, minus, into, and division comes under binary operations. We are only going to study about plus and into, since division and minus does not satisfy most of the properties. So we are going to leave it here, and also we are going to continue with plus and into. That is under multiplication and addition. Now, closure property. Let's start with understanding what is closure property. Try and remember this formula: A cross B equals to C. We are going to take examples to understand it better. Taking the example of natural numbers here. As we know, natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, and so on. A equals to 1, B equal, let us take A equals to 1 and B equals to 2, which also belongs to natural numbers. And as we can see here, under addition, A plus 2 equals to 3, where 3 is also a natural number. So therefore it is satisfied. Under multiplication, as we can see, 1 into 2 equals to 2, and 2 is also a natural numbers, as we can see here. So now next, associative property. A cross B cross C equals to A cross B cross C. This is the formula. Now if we take under addition, the binary operation becomes plus, and we are taking A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C equals to 3. Now after substituting it in the formula, we are getting 6 equals to 6. RHS equals to LHS. Now it is satisfied. Also we can see under multiplication in the example, if we take 1 cross 2 cross 3 equal 1 into 2 into 3 equals to 1 into 2 into 3, we are getting 6 equals to 6. Here also the property is satisfied. Now, commutative property. Here the formula is A cross B equals to B cross A. For example, here we are taking A equals to 3 and B equals to 4. Under addition, as we can see here, on the left hand side, when we add 3 plus 4, we get 7. And on the right hand side, even if we add 4 plus 3 and change the positions, we still get the same answer. That is what commutative property is. And also the same in the multiplication, where we change 3 where we change the positions of the numbers. Even if we change the position of the number, we still get the same answer. Now next, identity element. Under addition, 0 is the identity element, and under multiplication, 1 is the identity element. Now what is identity element? When this identity element will be added to the number, the element should remain same. So under 0, if we add, for example, if you are taking A equals to 4 and we add 0 to this 4, we still get the same number. And under multiplication, if we multiply 1 with the same number, like with 4, we get 4. So the number still remains same. And this is the identity. Now let us see inverse. Under addition, the inverse of A will be minus A, so that when we add A plus minus A, we get the 0, which is the identity element for addition. And same goes for the multiplication. Under multiplication, if we multiply A to 1 by A, we get 1, which is the multiplicative identity. Now if we see the example and taking A equals to 3, under addition we get 3 plus of minus 3 will be 0. And if we see under multiplication, when we multiply 3 into 1 by 3, we cancel 3 and 3 gets cancelled, and we will be remain with 1, which is the multiplicative identity. Now for distributive law, we have two types, that is left distributive and right distributive. These two are the formulas. Try to remember them. Now let's look at the example for distributive law. Now when we look at the example under addition, we are taking here A equals to 1, B equals to 2, and C equals to 3. After substituting, as you can see, we have both the LHS and RHS same. For same under multiplication as well. So that means it is satisfied. Addition and multiplication is satisfied under distributive law. And here our topic ends. Thank you.